Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what your customers should look like. So I'm starting a new series that's going to be about business tips for those of us that are in the lawn care industry, and these are just going to be tips that can help you on the business end and improving your profitability, improving your efficiency, and improving your overall lawn care business. So you can be expecting videos about these kinds of topics coming up throughout the lifetime of the channel. As the main goal of this channel is to help those that are in the lawn care industry to grow their business and also to help the homeowner to improve on their lawn care skills. So today's topic, I think, is one of the more important ones, and that is identifying your key customer, what your best customer looks like. Because if you don't know what your best customer looks like, you're not going to have the ability to go after those kinds of customers and increase the profitability of your business. Now, what your best customer looks like is going to vary based on a few different things. It's going to vary based on, for example, do you live in a highly populated area where there is a lot of neighborhoods, suburbs, a lot of those neighborhood type yards where you can stack them back to back to back? Or do you live in a more country, small town type of a setting where the yards are maybe a little bit bigger, it's a little bit more rural of an area, and so your yard, it's going to look a bit different there. Are you gearing your business more towards commercial, or are you gearing it more towards the residential homeowner? That's also going to differentiate your target customer. So you have to consider all of these things whenever you're deciding this is a customer that I want to go after. So for me, a lot of times I want to go after the customer that is half of an acre or less in a neighborhood. Now that doesn't mean that I totally stay away from commercial accounts or bigger yards. It just has to be the right situation for me to jump into it. So I want the majority of my business to be comprised of those half acre or less type of yards that are in neighborhoods where I can stack them up and just get a ton in a day because of route density. But like I said, I'm not afraid of going and getting a commercial property as long as it's the right situation. If it's in a location that's good for me, if it's the right size property, and it's also the right price, then I'm definitely going to be willing to take that commercial job on as long as it is in that right situation. But if it's not in the right situation, then it's probably something you're going to want to turn down for the overall profitability of your business and the growth of your business. So these are my thoughts on your key customers. Some things that you need to consider when you're targeting them is what size property do they have? So what's your ideal size property? Are you gearing your business toward commercial or that residential homeowner type? That's going to make your key customer, your best customer, vary. Also, what type of a yard is it? Is it the perfect yard where it's totally maybe solid Bermuda, like you live here in the South, it's solid Bermuda, no weeds, they have their yard sprayed, they have a sprinkler system, so it's just absolutely a gorgeous property? Or is it a property maybe where there's a little bit of kind of the grass is a little bit thinner with some weeds mixed in and stuff? Which one of those is more profitable for you? And also, what about the location too? So you may have several different areas. Like for me, I have 2 or 3 towns within 15 minutes, 20 minutes of my house. So what areas do I want to build in specifically? That's going to change my target customer. What's you guys' thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments below. What have you found the most profitable customers are for your business? I'm interested to hear that. Thanks for watching today. I really appreciate it. You can subscribe to my channel here. You can check out a couple more videos here. We'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.